Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we customize screen timeout setting in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to customize your phone screen timeout settings. So friend, how can you customize? Today I will show you in this video guys. So first of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting to customize your phone screen timeout. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Samsung phone. So friends, you can see guys your Samsung phone display setting guys. We will click on phone display setting guys and guys scroll it. Friends, click on your screen timeout setting guys, tap here. Friends, we will customize from here, means we can customize from here guys 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 and 10 minute. So if you click on 1 minute, so after 1 minute guys your phone screen will off. But guys, you want to customize into 2 and 5 minutes, so we will click on the 5 minute and friends come back. So friends, your screen time will customize. So friends, your after 5 minutes your phone will sleep, means your phone screen will off. So like that guy, we can customize screen time or setting in Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.